दोस्तों वेलकम टू अबीस रिव्यूज़। इस वीडियो में हम लोग पहली बार जो यूपीएससी एस्पिरेंट जो केरला में रहते हैं उसका एक टूर आपको देने वाले हैं। उसका लाइफ, इसका स्ट्रैटेजी सब कुछ बताने वाले हैं। तो आप देख सकते हैं केरला का टिपिकल काइंड ऑफ हाउस है। इसमें बहुत सारा लोग यूपीएससी एस्पिरेंट्स रह रहे हैं। तो हम एक यूपीएससी एस्पिरेंट्स का रूम अभी विजिट कर रहे हैं।
Hello, we are entering a UPSC aspirants room in Kerala. So you can see his room. Okay. Can you tell me about your routine?
Actually, I woke up at 6 o'clock, and
Okay.
after freshening up, I will come to here and I will be reading newspaper through this laptop digitally only, and I will take some notes from Hindu newspaper.
Hindu newspaper.
Preferably, I will be using Hindu only,
Okay.
and after that, I will prepare for mains. Actually, these are the stuff I made for, especially mains, and
So sticky notes are you are like pasted all over it?
yeah, most of them are codes actually, which is useful for mains, and I divided to certain subjects like education, health, poverty, like that.
Okay.
And I have made a list of chronology in modern history, which is too tough for me
Okay.
to
So you
remember
can
that.
understand. Okay, you can
Yeah.
understand.
This
And
is-
what is this?
This is a list of SDG goals, which is very good for answer writing, not to put introduction, and I have divided to subjects logically:
Okay.
social justice, economy, environment, and IR.
Okay. So this will be useful for who are like preparing for mains, that sustainable
Yeah.
development goals. So
Yeah.
if you can also paste it in your room, that will be very useful thing. And okay, there is a map you have prepared.
Yeah,
For-
and this is especially for the environment. Actually, environment have crucial role in our prelims,
Okay.
and this is the list of national parks and state-wise, which I have prepared through Google Maps, which have took actually 2 weeks, but it's worth.
Yeah. So you have put a lot of effort, but it is better to make by your own, so it will possibly
Yes.
remember that thing.
Yes,
actually.
yes. This is a list of my books actually.
Okay. And there is a world map also you have pasted over here. So yeah. So this is your main study table.
Yes, actually. This is a spectrum for modern.
Modern. Okay. Modern.
And
India.
Lakshmi Bible.
Yeah, our Bible for
Yes.
polity preparation. And yeah. Okay. This is your optional. Okay.
Yeah.
Malayalam option.
I choose Malayalam as optional,
Yeah.
and these are the literature, textbooks.
Textbook for the
Yeah.
Malayalam literature. So we know that in every like state there will be different literature subject for them. Okay, and you are preparing short notes also.
Yeah, actually this is for environment actually, which is more important just before revising in prelims within 1 week
examination.
actually.
Okay, okay, within 1 week you can early. So you are using like more. നമുക്ക് cut
I
ചെയ്ത്
have
വെക്കാൻ-
twisted the A4 sheet into two, and
Okay, so you can consume more space for this
Yes.
particular thing actually. Okay.
actually we need to reduce our resource.
Resources.
Even
yeah.
reducing the space of or reducing the number of paper is better actually.
Better actually. Okay. So you can see his main study table. You can see like important books. So he is not using too much resources. So NCR important NCRTs is there, optional is there, and our like most important subjects like modern India and polity also here. And you can also see some reasoning books actually for your
This is for a CSAT preparation. Daily I will give 1 hour to my CSAT preparation.
CSAT preparation.
Which
Okay.
is good for who are coming from non-engineering background.
Non-engineering background. Okay. So most of the students have a trouble in CSAT because if you don't qualify CSAT, they don't even check your first paper. So at least like his strategy is really good. Daily you will give 1 hour for your CSAT. It is more than enough. You can easily crack CSAT. Okay. So and give equal importance for the maths portion as well as for the English portion. Okay. And so again that map is there. So the same thing you have made again. Actually.
Actually I am lying here only.
Yeah.
After I come, I will see this.
And he is also prepared like IUCN status of the recent times, whatever like animals and species is there, so that latest status is there. So revising it multiple times, it will be like basically what we can observe in his room is that he is preparing short notes that you can see that for all the subjects, and even like most of the wall posters for like you can see for history, he's made so many short notes and all those stuff. So it is easy for revision, and according to current affairs only his strategy, whatever important in current affairs, he will be preparing mostly notes of the same. Okay, then there is a map, and you can, okay, so this is the place he usually sleeps, and this particular room in Kerala, it will cost around 4,000 to 5,000 only in a very nice area. You can see like his another cupboard is there, so he will be placing all his books and notes, everything over that particular area. You can see that books and all. Okay, so every day you exercise usually in the morning.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
Morning after wake up, I will have half an hour exercise with these materials.
Okay,
And
okay,
I
okay.
usually-
Okay, and you will be using this particular thing also actually. So
Yes.
anybody have any guess what exactly this is used for? So basically, you know about when you write the mains, the basic problem is that per day you have to work for around 6 hours continuously. 3 hours, 2 subject you have to write. So most of the people are facing a problem for like they are pain in their fingers and all those stuff. So this thing is basically used in Delhi. You know that most of the people have this in room. So by using this thing, you will be increasing the strength of your fingers and all those stuff. So that will help you to like without any pain or strain, you can work so hard for that particular mains answer writing. Na? Okay. So this is also you can include in your like daily exercise, and it is very good also. Not for the mains writing, the strength of your arms and forearms will be improved actually. Okay. So yeah, so you can see basically he has 2 study tables you can see here. One is for the like digital preparation, whatever notes and all those stuff, reading the news online and all those stuff. Then you can see like particular bookshelf, and so many things are pasted on in the wall. So most of the things are very important things only, like SDGs, Sustainable Development Goals, are for mains answer writing, and important dates and subjects for prelims preparation. So many items are there, and you can see that he's using very limited resources. So his strategy is limited resources and maximum revision only, as we can see in this particular room. So he's as well as using digital as well as the normal traditional kind of study. So his room and all those stuff you can see there. It's a good room for 4,000 5,000 rupees, and food. So how you managing your food actually?
Actually, we prepare ourselves only.
Okay.
Turn by turn, one person will cook.
Okay. So you will be like distributing according to the like
Yeah.
availability and all actually.
Yes, yes.
Okay. And according to time actually. So
Yes,
how
yes.
much it will cost for a per month for your food and
Per
all actually?
month, if you are cooking ourselves, it will take only 2,500 only for a person.
So you can see that in Kerala around 2,500 rupees you can manage your food and all. Delhi it will be a little bit costly. Everybody know that more than 4,000 5,000 if you cook by yourself also. And yeah, it's like quite economical if somebody is want to prepare from Kerala and all. Climate is really good. Not any extreme situations like there is no cold situation as well as very high temperature. It is always maintained between 24 to 33 maximum degree Celsius in Kerala. Okay. So you have any advice you want to give for the UPSC aspirants?
Just give our best shot and
Okay.
leave it to the God. Else.
Okay. And what are the mistakes a UPSC aspirant should avoid, like if they are preparing, starting their preparation and all those stuff?
After giving this prelims attempt, I have realized that don't give too much emphasis on current affairs,
Okay.
and actually don't rely completely upon the Preeti 365 or any other thing. Just
Okay.
have most of the basic steps in your mind and
Yeah.
give the best shot to your prelims and leave it.
So you're basically saying that make your concept very stronger and
Yes.
foundation, as well as a balanced approach for the current affairs as well as static.
Yes.
Don't just go for the current affairs blindly.
Yes.
So okay, basically if you have proper understanding about the basic foundation thing, you can easily understand the current affairs scenario as well as you can like answer the particular question. Okay bro, thank you so much for explaining. I think this will be the first video of a UPSC aspirants from Kerala. No other video you can find in YouTube or any place. So thank you so much for sharing your valuable time for our fellow subscribers and students. And thank you.
किचन भी देख रहे हैं वो लोग कॉमनली शेयर कर रहे हैं, जितना भी एस्पिरेंट्स वो पर्टिकुलर घर पे रह रहे हैं तो उसका काफ़ी सारा कॉस्ट सेविंग भी हो जाता है। लाइक अच्छा हेल्थी फूड खाने के लिए मिलता है। बाहर से खाना तो हमेशा महंगा होता है और हेल्थ का रिस्क भी हमेशा रहता है। ओके तो ये हमेशा लाइक काम डिवाइड करते हैं कौन सा दिन में काम करने वाला है ऐसा करके। तो एक अच्छा ऑप्शन रहेगा अगर दिल्ली भी जाओ कहीं भी जाओ करके। ओके ज़रूर वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए। थैंक यू सो मच।